Yo, what is up, you? Today, this is the actual Bee Swarm Simulator Pro version. Wanna know why? I'll show you why. Oh yeah, I'm also saving up for the, I'll show you why. Let's see. I have all the event bees. No flex, by the way. I have gifted vicious bee, gifted spicy bee, and yeah. It's pretty cool. Oh yeah, I'm saving up for this gingerbread cub bundle because you get a limited edition gingerbread cup skin and also 2 star treats. Honestly, if I had 2 star treats, I don't know what I'd upgrade. Well, I'd definitely do one for, I think, for the tabby bee. Actually, would I? I don't know. Well, yeah, I think I'd do it for the tabby bee. Should I do it for the puppy bee too? Actually, let's see. Oops. Let's see what the, yeah, I don't have tadpole bee. That's the only mythic. Actually, I could actually summon. I actually could summon a mythic meteor shower if I wanted to. Let's do it. Alright, hold up. Actually. Oh. Cool. Yes. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. Yes. So, tabby bee, and I don't want to do photon bee. That's puppy. Bonty cheeks. GG. Wait, what is bear bee? Nah. Kinda lame. What's cobalt bee? No. Actually, I don't know, dude. Honestly, I'd rather have the cub buddy than the 2 star treats. Cause literally, you can literally get another star treat from right there. So like, I don't know. Well, I'll show you how much stuff I have. Like, hold up. So yeah, I have 346 snowflakes. I wish that was actually gingerbreads, but sadly it isn't. But yeah, I think I have like 90 gingerbreads. Oh, I have 98, almost 100. Jesus, I have 125 moon charms. Wait a minute, since when did I get that? You know what that means, right? I'm getting a new moon charm thing. Woo, actually. Yeah, let's just do it. Let's wait till nighttime though. Anyways, what was I gonna do? Wait, what was I gonna do? I forgot what I was gonna do. So sorry. Wait a minute. What is this? I never saw this before. What is that? Is it in here? Wait. Oh. Stern. Where's the gifts? There's gifts. Wait, so how do you, what's satellite? There's no satellite? Oh my god. Wait a minute. Wait, did I show you in my previous Beast One Simulator video? I got these amulets. And there's still no flex, by the way, because I don't want to flex. Because I might get karma. Oh yeah, by the way, I have 560 stingers. You wanna know why? This is why. Got him! No, that's actually no flex. No flex, no flex. I don't flex on anything. I am being serious. I will not flex on anything, because you never know. I could get karma. Like for example, someone could be richer than me. So that's why you shouldn't flex. Stern, are you kidding me? Make gifts at the friggin' worst time. Okay, I'm at 0 pollen, so that's good. So we can go inside a gummy bee. Oh yeah. Where's my badges? We'll try to close this badge, actually. Yeah. Actually, nah. Oh, okay. Well, as I said in that other pro video. Here we go. Here we go. Congrats. Actually, I am pretty close to the playtime one. Jesus, I mean, come on, Puppy B. I didn't realize it. All right, what is that? Well, I gave 6 gifts so far, so that's I can't do that. Oh, wait, how do I do this again? Okay, cool. Oh yeah, let's use the glue dispenser, why not? What does unlimited gun drops do? What is that? Uh-oh, I'm gonna die now. Shouldn't have done that. Open freaking shop. Can't afford that. Gotta go quick. What does unlimited gun drops do? God, guys, it's on actually. Oh yeah, I was gonna do the meteor thing. Yeah, what does this unlimited gum drops do? Like, if anyone has any idea, let me know. Because if it gives me free gum drops, it's pretty cool. Alright, the moment you've been all waiting for, mythic meteor shower. Alright, let's hope I can spawn it. You know what that means, right? I'm gonna say who's ready. I'm not gonna say for a mythic meteor shower because I would spoil it, and I don't want to spoil it. Who's ready? Actually, alright. Here we go, guys. Oops. Here we go. Mythic meteors? Oh, I thought it'd say mythic meteor shower. Oh yeah, chlorophyll. Wait. Oh yeah, usually if you see like that, those things. Get up. Alright, let's go in chlorophyll, because that's where it is. Sting. Oh yeah, oh my god. Look how much rewards I'm getting. No flex. Oh god. Dude, this is actually insane. Oh god. Wait, is it like, where's the token link? Token links, where are you at? Can't believe me slacking. Token links. Kinda need you right now. That token link? Oh god. No. Token links, I kinda need you right now. That wasn't a token link. Token links, where are you freaking at? Oh god. Wait, what? Neon berry? Whoa, whoa, whoa. I just got a neon berry? That's pretty epic. That's pretty cool. Alright, dandelion field. Enemy spotted. Watch that. Dude, come on. I need a token link. Oh god. Oh. Oh god. Oh no. No, come on. No. Okay, not gonna lie, mythic meteor shower actually does last for like a little while. Like, that's pretty cool. Wait. No. Come on, dude. Are you kidding me? We don't want no freaking windy bee. That's stupid. Okay, bye, sucker. We don't want no windy bee. Like, seriously? That's pretty okay. Oh, it's over? No, it's not over. Oh, wait, no, what's that? One of those. Wait. Oh, it's in this field. Yeah, okay. Oh no. Oh, did I get it? Token link!